Hope you're having a great week so far. Got a new brief for you. Let's see how the tape is setting up this morning. Quiet surface, but there's real texture underneath once you start digging. Let's check in on crypto first. Bitcoin's sitting at 77,150, barely budging on the day, up less than 1%. The story here is sentiment, not price. Fear and greed just dropped to 27, deep in fear territory, and that's a 15-point slide from 42 just a week ago. We've only been in the fear zone for one day, but the speed of the move matters. Ethereum's hugging 2125, also flat, and Solana's at 85, doing nothing exciting. What's interesting is when this index has historically printed fear, the median 30-day move is essentially zero. So this isn't a screaming buy signal, it's a coiled spring. Watch 76,000 on Bitcoin as the line that separates dip buying from real flush. Over in equities, the S&P is at 73.53, up just over 1%, with the VIX parked at 18, completely relaxed. Tesla's catching a bid at 404, up 1.5%, and that's the kind of mega-cap action keeping the index lifted while breadth stays narrow. The tape is calm, but not convinced. Watch whether VIX can stay under 19 if geopolitical headlines escalate. Commodities side, gold is at 44.72, up 0.33% and still pinned near record territory, which fits the fear mode crypto read perfectly. WTI crude's at 103.80 cents, down a touch on news the US is flagging progress in Iran talks. If those talks actually deliver, oil has room to give back $5 quickly, and that filters straight into the inflation outlook. Now to headlines. 3 stories worth flagging. Xi and Putin meeting in Beijing right after Trump's visit. That's the geopolitical wildcard the dollar is leaning on, with DXY at 99.40 cents near a 6-week high. Samsung's facing a major strike Thursday after union talks collapsed, which puts memory and semis on watch. And Trump's Truth Social just yanked its Bitcoin ETF application from the SEC, which is part of why crypto sentiment is bleeding even as price holds. Looking ahead, the calendar is light. Housing starts and building permits tomorrow at 12:30 UTC, then state employment Friday at 1400 UTC. No CPI, no Fed, no fireworks scheduled. That means flow and headlines drive the tape this week, so positioning matters more than usual. That's it for today. Head over to Trada for the full real-time terminal, your custom strategy tabs, and the AI sparring partner watching the tape with you. Happy trading!